guys. Who do we have here today?
Jacqueline.
Barrel.
Laurel and Jacqueline. Those are some crazy harnesses that you guys are wearing. What are you doing today?
On skydiving.
You are going skydiving. That sounds crazy. You trust us to take you for a skydive?
I sure do.
We just met. That's a lot of confidence.
I'm very confident.
Yeah, if you read our reviews, you should be. We're going to go get in this airplane, go up to 14,000 feet, jump out, and do 120 miles an hour at the ground. Are you guys nervous?
A little bit.
Okay, good. That way it's not just me. She's ready to go.
I am so ready to go. I'm so stoked.
So my next question, are you excited?
Very much so.
You could have answered that one, right? Before we go, guys, do you have any famous last words or final confessions?
Yeah.
Taking it to the grave, huh?
Taking it to the grave.
You guys don't need those last words. We are coming back. Let's go have some fun.
Sounds great.
All right.
Your fault if this goes wrong.
Love it.
Here we go.
Jumped out of an airplane! High five! How do you feel?
Amazing. Absolutely incredible. This is the best experience ever.
I'm so glad you had fun.
I want to do it again.
What was your favorite part?
The flipping.
The flipping out of the airplane?
Freefall.
Yeah.
That part was fun. And also realizing the chute could go real fast, even though the spinning, I'm like, oh, okay, I can do this next time. This sounds amazing.
Yeah, maybe next time we'll let you pull the parachute.
Ooh, that'd be amazing.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I'm totally about it.
All right, well, thanks for coming out. I'm glad you had a fun time.
Thank you, this is incredible.